In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your template quickly and easily in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to refresh your website's look or you've found a new design that better suits your brand, changing your template is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Let's go through this step by step so you can update your template with ease. To get started, you'll want to log into your account on the Squarespace website. If you're already logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. From here, you will see a list of your websites. Click on the website you'd like to modify. This is your central hub and the starting point for making any design changes. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this dashboard, as it's where you'll manage various aspects of your site. Now, let's move on to adjusting the styles of your website. On the left section of your screen, navigate to the menu and look for the Styles option. Clicking on Styles will bring up various customization options pertaining to your site's appearance. This section is crucial as it houses the tools you'll need to alter the overall look and feel of your website, providing a rich palette for personalization. Next, once you're in the Styles section, you'll want to click on Themes. This is the exciting part where creativity comes to life. You'll see different themes available to you. These themes are essentially pre-designed templates that give your site a specific aesthetic, without the need for manual adjustments to your design framework. Consider what kind of look will best represent your brand before you make your selection. Feel free to browse and take your time here, as this decision will define the visual essence of your website. After clicking on Themes, choose the theme you wish to apply to your website. It's important to note that your content will remain intact even if you change themes, but the presentation will adapt to the new design. Selecting a theme is as easy as previewing it and seeing how your website will look with the new design. This feature allows you to ensure everything displays correctly before finalizing your decision. And finally, once you've chosen your theme and are satisfied with how it looks, click on Apply to use the theme on your website. The last step, but certainly not least, is to click Save. Saving your progress is critical as it confirms the changes you've made and ensures they are applied to your live site. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully changed your template on Squarespace. Remember, you can always return to adjust or explore more themes as your site evolves. Thanks for watching and happy designing.